Hi everyone, welcome to Maya's channel. Today is again my cooking video. I'm going to show you some new recipe. Here I'm going to start. Here are the ingredients. It's a rice recipe, again all-in-one full meal recipe. So for this I need to take 1 cup rice which is soaked and I have drained the water out, and chickpeas, and we need 2 garlics. So this one I have already grinded this into a coarse powder, and I added 2 spoons oil and little bit salt as per taste, maybe 1 spoon salt and 1 spoon chilli powder. And I need some finely chopped onions and some greens. This is optional, you don't have to add this, but I could like to add some veggies too. That's the reason I'm adding this. Otherwise these two are good enough. Let's start the recipe. I've put the water to boil. I've taken 2 cups water and it's boiling, and 1 cup rice. I need to add rice to the water. Now I have to make some dumplings. I need to add this coarsely grinded chana powder, and some onions, half onion, and greens, I need to mix this. Add water to make a tight dough. Add little by little water. If I can squeeze like this, I should be able to make dumpling out of this. This is good enough. The rice has to come to boiling. This is my mom's recipe, which is one of my favorite, and it's very easy and quick. Now I'm going to make some dumplings and drop into the hot water. Then it gets mixed up with the water. The water has to be nice hot. I've taken 1 cup split chana dal. You can take how much ever you want as needed. Cover it with lid and simmer it, and let's wait for a few minutes. Let's see. Yeah, it's done. Let me turn off. Yeah, this is done. I'll show you. These are dumplings. The dumplings are only on the top. We need to take rice from bottom. Here, the way it looks. So you can eat directly, just put some clarified butter or ghee, and you can eat the hot ones with rice and dumplings. And even this can be a little bit modified by you, like you can add buttermilk to this, and even you can use chardo, which is done with the tamarind water. So you can have many options, but as it is good to eat. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching, and if you like my video, share with your friends. See you again with another recipe. Bye until.